In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily put thumbnails on your YouTube videos. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up YouTube app and make sure you are signed into your YouTube account. We can put thumbnails on YouTube videos while uploading the video, or we can also put thumbnail on the video that is already uploaded. To do that, go to Library and then tap at Your Videos. We can sort our videos by regular videos, shorts, and lives. I'm just gonna tap Add Videos, and then to put thumbnail on our video, we just need to type at these three dots next to it, select Edit, and that's where we can easily change a thumbnail for that video simply by tapping at that icon, just like that. In here we can edit current one, or we can upload custom thumbnail in that simple way. Also, we are able to scale it if it is necessary, and once we are done with that, to apply the changes, we need to tap at Select and then Save. To add a thumbnail on a video while it is being uploaded, first of all, tap at that plus sign to start the uploading process. Then just select a video, trim it if it is necessary, tap at Next, then Next again, and on that step we'll be able to select a thumbnail for our video by tapping right here at that icon, and then we can just drag it left or right to choose the exact frame of that video we would like to use as our thumbnail. In that way, if your video is longer than 60 seconds, you will be able to download your custom thumbnail. Because the video is less than 60 seconds, it will be uploaded as YouTube short. If I select a video, let me find a video that is longer than 60 seconds. In this case, as you can see, we are able to select custom thumbnail for that video in that simple way. Once you are done with that, don't forget to tap at Upload button to upload the video to your channel. That's how you can easily put thumbnail on your YouTube videos.